Montana Acetone Spray is a universal thinner and cleaning agent that is transparent in color. Remove the safety ring by removing the nozzle and turning the can upside down, allowing the ring to fall out. Shake the can well for 1 minute. Before applying on plastic, test spray on a non-visible area to check compatibility. Montana Acetone can be used to remove paint and lacquer residues. For best results, apply Montana Acetone Spray evenly at a distance of 20 centimeters from the surface and allow it to soak for a short time. Remove the dissolved color with a sponge or cloth. The acetone spray is also perfect to clean used brushes, palette knives, and other tools. Use as a cap cleaner. Put the clogged or dirty spray nozzle on the Montana Acetone Spray Can and press until no more color comes out of the nozzle. Alternatively, let the nozzles soak in acetone for a couple of hours. Also great to create aqua or dilution effects. After partially applying Montana Gold on canvas, the lacquer can instantly be diluted to the desired pigmentation using Montana Acetone Spray. Montana Acetone Spray, highest quality made in Germany.